This is why you should never go cave exploring. In November 2009, 26-year-old John Jones and his brother decided to separate from their group to explore a bit further on a family caving trip in Utah. John went first, wriggling on his stomach, to look for a passageway known as the birth canal, but he took a wrong turn into an unexplored part of the cave. Unable to turn around, he kept pushing forward until eventually he slipped down into a dead-end crevice measuring just 10 by 18 inches, the size of a front-loading washing machine. For over 24 hours, several highly experienced cave rescuers failed to remove him. Eventually, a system of ropes and pulleys was installed. On the third pull, the rescue team lifted John high enough to make eye contact, but then one of the ponies broke and John stood right back down into the hole in a cloud of dust that all rescuers could see was his feet. They no longer had a pulse, and deeming it too dangerous to get him out, they sealed the cave shut with John inside forever.